Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make bullet points with symbol in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document and take some pages with some text. Now we want to add bullet point with symbol. Go to any page, then select the text frame tool and draw the tool to insert the text. Change the text fill color. Select fill color, choose none. Then write anything to this text box. Now I write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the paragraphs option and select the bullets and numberings. Then choose the type drop down menu and choose bullet. Now we can see here the bullet list is the round dot. Now we want to change this round dot as a symbol. Select this text drop down menu and we can see here many symbols. You can add anything. Now I select the white diamond and select the round dot, then delete it. Then click outside of the text box. Now we can see we make these bullet points with symbol very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.